we share
Obraham to say Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia.
No, yeah. You're a flag bearer, a presidential candidate. No way, pa.
Maybe see why you didn't cry to a baby, or Montenenka, one Kikano Sana Huno.
Oh, Debbie. Bono, you can, yet to abandon end of January, so technically the last day of January, any attorney swaba. And a February, and so no, wako kwa wedding kunimno, and for Babe Mao, Uchimka. It was for about 3 weeks to almost the 4th week. And Oditia and Nechi echo so Kojina Home Kakra because why campaign 2023? Why campaign the whole of 2024? Why campaign the whole of 2025? Now 2026 yet told Aba Eyebosomi Edikan. Wokra Yenipa, na bekwa Kojewa Home. Obaye be 2.5 weeks ni. And do 2.5 crab, 2 weeks and some few days extra. Bono, what we say in common on a party leadership, Asia, on a parliamentary leadership, Asia. The inside 2.5 weeks more by was Sansone was Quacos riding new animal, new Mokoa Kensian. 1 on 1. Kennedy Nialan, a Yumuna Wakona. Wakoira Kenne Agyapong, Conenaso. Akwaka se menu aye to abawie intimi sha isanse mitu kwan kakra mabaso no wadaroma besem no di efie nkomo ne hwe ha we betimi ahyehye party no odi ne die ma no omodi nkomo kwa akire ne ha wa betimi asa party no amaye homre so biem owie wa mananso wa oto asoko engineer kwabena eje Agyapong eso na kwatwetwe nkomo saa so kwachire ne ha wa ye party ne betimi asan pagya yemu ko we are very clear that 2028 no ebefa but how we betimi atoto ye niam yie to win obi e oto asoko Dr. Yao osei educhum ene ono so ekwatwetwe nkomo se no oye ni nuanom mienu edikan no ya educhum so receive ni nuanom fefefe kwanso momudi nkomo kama every hour party no enhyehyɛ ne ne na ebetimi aye e de aboa and lastly okoyera Dr. Brian Champon ono so kodidi nkomo ekɔ ekire how ni na party ho nkomo mienti a wonhu bi on TV ni ade ne cameras is that ye niema ni mu bi besesa ahead of 2028 ye be siesie ye ho odem ye niema ni pio ha e be ye no bebre na underground ansa na pio ni pen
but NPP ni bi be ka senka ne feso no say ye be hu ni TV so
ntia nche ne yese mu hu TV so mu be hu no na ne yese mo te wo radio so bia ne se me maba me ka kiro me bomu nkomo e bi kiro me mu ahu se ye raba na nyese o te bia se maka so share parliamentary leadership we share party leadership at the national we share wakoni nuanom enan oniom call contest ogususu share some of the stakeholders are omonye ye party for
okay
ebi mo stakeholders are oniom twetwe enkomo about the nation ebi mo also a oniom twetwe enkomo a omonye NPP party stakeholders but omo ye stakeholders on betimi aboa ma party ne hyehyɛ na akwani ebi mo also omo ye sebio omso omo ye party mpanifo omakoma homigem nti he's doing all this behind the scenes whilst a party no eso hyehyɛ ne niema with the reorganization polling station electoral area constituency NSA niema no nti enye se watiada and enye se wabu nani agu niema ni bi so. But this is what has been happening.
Right, and I hear the Titiani base, someone in an Krum.
Obi or what
a threat my NPP.
Oh, the base. No cleaning a meaning. Sebio party at the Dodo on a maybe catcher said, Ubi or the base me hianoa. Namedi Dr. Bawumia bro. Namedi NPP bro. But Mamma and fire kuma en yadia. Minia NPP at the Suyan Renam. Party no it is a bosom who NPP ni NDC it is a kotoko ne house na me kotoko unrepentant fan minia ye ne USMA urges ko share match ni bi e wo Kumase ye share ye na meti stadium usu because I'm in park beam. The following week, I'm at the park. A day or then, nay or day. It's me, any team be bought, Miss Wade, I'm done. San NPP ni and this city. Ubekaya, Ayana, if fear CSA, someone will say, Ayana, any jenny, any can womb. Me mount faton because only baby, a BS when this breakaways, no, a BS when NPP breakaways. But me fast FDA way so no, brew will be a crew. But me fast FDA way so any union be a casase, bia, ubi hono mo sebe. It's answer na come who no. Say bia ye call a queen cray and our contest we cry Dr. Bawumia Kran has not reached out yes you penny for it be only Ibian said me tia me bon the rule say oh
what can they do
bia baby I wo gidi say ma obu afu a wo reorganize papa no kra ko penny for a omo na no mo ballot paper ne so ko mo etita for obi no no ballot paper me na me ballot paper ne so but penny for no at the top omo di omo komo cause omo nim said the NPP remains the best alternative bia base awakwa joining o de wo kuma na bia abrim na de akwa joining ubekwa kasa atra emri beba na NPP akwa wini na afi ubeba no otetetete osu base entimi amo base na afi na ma adwuma na yeden me say se party o ye part ntini e frɛ no party enni wakoma echi na o yeso so aye ben Dr. Bawumia no yeso no ye kasapa kasade na unuane bi wo hono mo a sebi we contest ne koye Bawumia we need the first round which is to be a presidential candidate but ohia ye na ye mo to be the president of the republic nti say ye huro say samre no etwem. How do we make sure say we have everybody we need to come on board yenenetimi aye adwuma nti obi Sammi about base ade na meka se obi hono ma onim se ebia Dr. Bawumia kra akosra mpenifo nan ya mabobo omudin
menya se wo kakra nka menim
onu omo atwetwe nkomo ebia omo odwen ha wa party na ye hyehye ne yie ade akwaji tumi woni NDC for P kasa na ya they are clear in their minds omo party no will not go beyond 2028 esuno ebebre
is NPP on track.
I think so. And me and Pine and me boss because actually by September we are done with our internal reorganization. That is a party no about 2.5 years. I beat me so no Ediako pre to me in 2028. Now if NDC for no pokrana started a kajazamasa moba moya niema year. Now we landlord. I don't know if you are tenant or baby. You fear radia tenafie nim ni enhyehyɛ fie ni ye na dachi nkrofo ba umomotimi asensu amom. Don't be a stranger in your own party in 2029.
Finally, yes, sorry. Ghana 40 NPP 40.
Bono me ni baby akọ. Country broke, country no broke.
Day inside.
A day inside. Perish the thought. Perish the thought. Eya nanka Dr. Bawumia wini. Na ko bi foforo ne wini ya. Ejuma kese ni ejuma sono ameyema yera Dr. Bawumia. Kameye the same thing ama any of them. So mu bi wini ya. E chere party no na me som no na party na me dono. Me do NPP first. And sana my love for Dr. Bawumia ba.
Okay.
Into bibia no awoye part and a member of the party. You are not in the party because of somebody. Obetimi edi obi echi. Sebe imprediasa. Ebia me ena wafa me as your court figure. Chese obi bia ne me. Ba me sumi ye nipa. Nyankopon de ye na ye nkwa wo ne nsem. Dan kwa me bia me koda na se man sorry a. Perish the thought. Untimi nka se Sammi Awuku ni untimi jai party. And untina me pese you will take a decision out of emotions. Se wo ye ne sa no a na chese wo mu no party na wo mu no uni botai nti ade wo party no. Ye na ye so nyame se ye be call heaven. Ana me bo. Enye sade anka wo nkwa sorry no. Ba sorry na ye wom se ye so se ye be call heaven. Na won wadi wakomachi. Obi aye wade one na teso. Kwesi adedu Nyankopon aba wo frɛ ne nkrofo rapture. Uhu se nkrofo frokosoro wanko bi. Udane wani hwe onchen a Bible ade kwa asori so obi awia. Tina chese wo no asori no ukofia obede nkra ka se ukobia na wanko bi. Odon party candidate out di nechi no ebia wen wini ya wonti de akwa kodi bibi for frechi na fa NPP e wini 2028 ye bo se no wa so ka ho nkofo se oyenimo wo ko se na chese wo no bra wa brain na no ahyegu ebia koma wakoma wudi akire nti no opani a wokodi nechi no along the line ono de ne ho abeje campaign wo de wakọ akire afeni ma be ye wo ba na nkofo piepia inti party there your moment of pain and your moment of joy ni nyina wo nyamensem Akufo-Addo supporters in 1998 no munim se Nana Addo be flag bearer 98 anko ye amanana oman paba omo supporti Akufo mo win 2000 ya de nemu 2008 Nana be ye flag bearer anye ye amano but 2016 ye man ebia kwan a ebia Nyankopon hihye mu no emre opese odo ba be ye franketuni no ebia na mai so unya atwenye na wodi odo eboa wuni ene wa be ye flag bearer ochina osusu du so a obi beboa intime me boa obi am yima koma mu boa no isanse obi nim china bono ebia ete ha mimi nhira na ebia wo wo nsem se da achu benya nkae inte ya na edi ye koma na chi when we are supporting our candidate na a hardwin nti efutu on my party for ne say ye wie the internal election say this government ne back is against the wall and my creating more problems within because Aban way itself no they on their way out to don't be a stranger in your own party and Aban traders e bonus tonto importers and exporters freight forwarders and then they test what the port a school for head teachers and then they test what educational sector cocoa farmers and then the hardship in the rural communities is amazing. Akufo-Addo edijam over 3,200 mobile most do ombeko be 7,000 mwanya mo de omaba 2,500 enumpo kra muntua since October unti omsika ma and onipa no kan cocoa bottle Akufo-Addo ko na kokra 3,200 anke beto amano no and I just order 1,000 cedis asan wetimi akutua na hospital bill. All the indicators are on the wall. And they doom light. President Mahama or opposition or see doom so is back. And they do this or say a system upgrade. Meaning and you been a back catcher. And don't be a stranger. Men could pay baby a hono ukumeni ho.
The one crowd will be anymore.
Obi anymore. Afena ye frefre kobo. Da benda. Ni ebe free team na players enya chemistry etimi hu ni obo 7 ni obo 10 ni obo 9 ni obo 3 time no day ye mo ankukru osono no anya Dr. Bawumia mpo ena won pe na semo a obo be appoint nipa be 7,000 ubenim ba ko na bia sa nipa no ono so aboa me di twato me ba ha da no me kan sembi me se obi wo ho a odi oye juma sa de boaje Akufo baby Akufo abreso insurance no ebi anso ne so bana Akufo na na eni nipa o so Akufo boa ye nipa bebre susu nya akwanya baby awo no wanya akwanya ni ana wani na ne so no a na wan support no in the beginning ebi ana ye Akufo-Addo na so Akufo-Addo abreso na benya also no de obo so de Akufo-Addo echisa wetimi enya ne na opewu so ye nana nipa ebi asa wo nipa no ebi ababia wo nhira no wo obi anda Bawumia's government intime me obi a megisunsun asimdi na me obi a megidi se nipa de nya abotre nunya otwempa wohia ne mamienu wohia nkwatenten and we hear who Denia Pomudin. Long life and good health. Se Nyankopon nkunwa osono odieno. Se Nyankopon we are okaya pamno. That's the covenant keeping God. Obekayo.
Company
or therefore
that's it. Yes, that's it. Right, but that's it. We bring into Yanisha ruling a buy. Now you see OSP we need to mean so you be kwa kujina mren abonu kwadu. We beji to me this or free the attorney general What you know at saying?
Opening and come away no. Yana NDC for Nemuna Omuho Mama Kakra. Me pesa me do started timeline bi. Bono. Sana be Ghana for betiasie. Ewo baby ewo a case a year between OSP and Attorney General and yet just administrative disagreement. So office winning office win count. A national emergency. A coordinated effort of government and the NDC as a party. Some be good this anti-corruption body.
The Office of the Special Prosecutor.
December 3rd, 2025, a few chairman. OSP detaining lawyer named for a friend of Martin Pebu. Dodo no ejitum say ne nadwen ne comment and any position on matters. Any NDC for the yepe. Omo detaining on the 3rd of December. On the 4th of December, the day after, Majority Leader Mahama Yarga on the floor of Parliament a call for the abolition of the Office of the Special Prosecutor. The same December 4th, a year Majority Chief Whip, a year Roxanne Dafiamekpo, so second day say no cre sa office no a CHM. The same December, a bill to repeal the Office of the Special Prosecutor says he go sa Office of the Special Prosecutor. The same December, 2 NDC top guns in Parliament, the Majority Leader and the Chief Whip at the Parliament. The same December, Nwatete are linked to one of the officials within the Attorney General's office. Filing a case at the Supreme Court or challenging the OSP Act. 8th April, Attorney General Office filed a statement of case, just a response. Or they supported Niana a court say no cre. The office na crano. A CHM once more or less supported the case of Niano de Special Prosecutor's Office court. April 15th, last week, the High Court outstripped the Office of the Special Prosecutor. Of all the 2 year crana obetimi de abokwedu no year finish. Okay. It's a coincidence. You can see a coordinated effort from people in government, in Parliament, outside Parliament, pro NDC, and a coordinated effort to get it out.
Interesting here,
well, because the truth of the matter is that so the Niamako Attorney General's office or NDC for no clean pass. Maybe the only body can be the Office of the Special Prosecutor. I may not be a big fan of the Office of the Special Prosecutor. Now, so it's not about how I feel. Any emotions. It's about our fight against corruption and maintaining the institutional framework and the governance framework. Let me tell you, some few months ago, the Office of the Special Prosecutor invited me to Tomano for over 2 hours. Yeah. But me invited me and I make up. Me man fa phone cram frel ono kisi Agyapong so office atons afre me. Because we say omo ye omo juma. And I have to be accountable to the people. Any juma me koye or national lottery. So for over 2 to 2.5 hours, now me office on the panel of interrogators and me and my lawyers. Indika should be one of the people la omo yi buy make us I don't cry in twem. But it's not about how I feel. What the emotions say, yeah, you bet too soon any abofrani naturally. The NPP for 7 years near Wabem, it's not that our people did not have problems with the conduct of the Special Prosecutor. And I say, but you don't have to be happy about every action. Because also so Juma is under the Act.
Okay.
And Nagana Mremo. Even to the extent that some of the cases they were handling, not a hetting in an elections year. Almost support Sikesi they bought that office to make it functional, security and the resources for 7 years. A Kufuado government make sure say they supported and gave to the Office of the Special Prosecutor to function. But Osha Nyema, President Mahamaka, and then the conduct of his people any omonea ebwebra. The principal legal advisor to the president and government, the attorney general. Attorney general files a case in defense of Nipo Odi Asema court. See Yengu special prosecutor. In that same cabinet is the majority leader and the leader of government business. Onosoba parliament to sponsor a bill on any chief whip. See Yengu special prosecutor. Then president comes to stand and says, "So I've intervened, saying I'm your parliament." No, namunjai. Are you telling me the majority leader of the government, every business you are conducting on the floor of parliament, una leadi, and that is government business? So what I say, that is government business. If president Otiho, the majority leader, the leader of government business, can sponsor a bill, CM Fengu, an anti-corruption body, and the president wasn't aware, then it's a serious matter. If the attorney general, in response to a case, Nani Kasa Obeka in support can demonstrate say you're not president anywhere, then it's a serious matter. The HSS is a coordinated effort. Now, me pessimist NPP for.
But you hear office of the special prosecutor.
I think so, because you see, Bono, young politicians.
Young bisa our question is if you must say intimate meeting a purpose.
Well, I don't think so. Say a meeting purpose says Oguno. It's a new office was set for 7 years, 8 years, and again the very fact say a creation of Yenya as a people say you say look about the prosecution of the political class. So we a be attorney general, we party a ufumi the party national officer. And only an tia bem yes it's our prosecutor na e be the amount. But if you have an independent body, I will also fight this same case. I will no crap prosecutorial powers. Obetim dia kwa kujina aboko edu etimi asama nipa no a ebeboa and can also help advance the cause of transparency. It is not about how I feel. Me say me the emotions bebemu and then can be before na kebe kasetia. But one way ya udi emotions na chia, you end up collapsing many institutions of state. Anybody your co-position. Who your police for ni be near Ninomoya and Obeka send young police. Who the conduct of some ABM military officials. Obeka send a bani young soldier. But all the emotions you won't get there in a year. And that is exactly what I've been talking about. My position is that this government cannot pretend say onya where what they call for a. But it is a national emergency because first you have first Chief Justice Akunya. You the end we sometime. And you did your penny Akunya feelings him. You tears him the next time you special prosecutor. Along the line they sponsored petitions against the electoral commissioner. You can clearly see that it is a playbook. You be a chapter where
you listed
near kind you womb. You be a page where near circle near PCA near call the next page. But there's a dangerous precedence. NDC almost fear Bemu 2028. 2029, you are also now going to have an NPP administration. A Bimobeka and you see a Danutino. Yes, I said Dr. Bawumia so abaye this. As another we are not growing as a democracy. Ekufuado. After leading to repeal President Akufo-Addo, after leading to repeal the criminal and seditious libel law, Onwa became a victim. Obitimeti amanone no we bieja podcast since I day online no we be no we did man penini ne yire ne busuen natem. Nienya no kra ne achechira so ano. But another at no point in time said because of that freedom of speech should be stifled. And then President Mahama, the very machinery we use here to win political power, asking that this government, that Akufo-Addo government should help promote more speech. Today, we can be before buying on fair near Chinakotum. TikTok and obey say fair near the Nakotum. When obey radio phone, you obey cassette, oh yes, I know, oh canipa casabosho me. Bono, Santa me can yamani be a found one. The medicine is bitter, but it is necessary. Intimampani, what all of us can do to sanitize the system. And I say, Adano Nieme see and you condemn. Me and Nan, we come to the table with open arms and say, baby Edwi, you did this a kasana no sheno, as a kofo. But arresting people, putting them behind bars, incarcerating them, getting bail conditions are no. Bono, ibedu baby, a buying bibaba. One share or no, Esani and Crawford Comuno, or Becca Sen is the bail bond, the Yachi opposition activist, Sebi Yankofa Ghana Airport, near value, Nenon Fanya Tabo at the Betuni Panaso. Clearly, you can see the attacks on the office of the special prosecutor are well coordinated. Okay. But as I have said, Mati NPP communicators Nibia, they are using emotions to support what government is doing. Yeah, they are using emotions. Who using Makato say me amitiwe. Me ya frame ya kosa office nibi. Atoto mano. Ibu a questions be on busa. I felt that it was unfair. I felt that it was targeted and personal. But that doesn't mean say because of my emotions. Timenka say nesadia me who say eduanimi person mu gu sa office here say me join you me gu sa office no. That kwa me be ba be hanti as a country. Instead move from the personalities. Say bia bono hin nete ha e na bono hin me ne wa asem no nche say me gu asase pa radio. Okay. That's the position. But bono e na bia say me ka say bono sa o ni e die. No problem kakra wo. And I think we can improve upon it. Is it not strange that Martinamidu is not a big fan of Kisia Jabin, but he has written in defense of that office. Because it's not the human being you are talking about. It's the office that you need to protect. Okay. For Dankwa Mebia.
Yeah, justice system, you saying, under John Dramani Mahama.
Well, if not, that's wrong. The Chief Justice of the Republic can be removed in a manner threshold no lower. Yamane kren facing accusers. Omombe bo no kwedu kren ntimi amana ntoto omano. The sitting Chief Justice na mu no into a committee. Ye born set to second for. They don't even allow even a spouse. They don't even allow even sometimes the lawyers pokrano to even act in support of her. Na wa ye circuit court judge. Na kantam kese ni nja wo menshas me kan papa nan. Na papa na dey say fan kantam kese o mensha. Bono itino ubusam say the justice system being a member of the bar. My only worry is that Ghana, we've had our dark days about your Timu system. Justices of the High Court, Yechibia Najo and Ajudesium. In the middle of the night, 7 prayers ekukunwom. Esa peja to so. He had to take Nyankopon nsu a otoye and a might me who will be more body identify. So it's still fresh in the minds of the judiciary. It will not be executive na o show aggression towards them. E mo kai o mabakosem. No ahwe yi a ebetumi ama atemuafo ni bi no omudi ehu enti no atemu eso omubu no. It has psychological effect on them.
Right, I've been joining here now. Honorable Sammi Awuku and I didn't need Komo and then very quickly. MPP for the say, ya na ya so more party muna MPP ba power. Yentimin build the MPP for na be no musunya at the 4. Na mutimim yo minimum mama mfunya bi enye. And then me ti omudi me si there na aba mon kana minti. Almost Pampayin John Dramani Mahama Baye, say was to say Bibia the Manuia Ibrahim Mahama, Sankofa, black voter, Damai Ninano Ibrahim Mahamadia. Less than 2 years, and no this are no more winning a manual. And maybe a Chamubra Champon Senate hotels. Egu, what is K room crazy? Hey, where your MPP ni MPP share lessons be a free one now.
I mean, first of all, my main say NPP pro business. Ya bakosem ne ye niema ya ye nyina no e kire se eye party a ye do se Ghana ni ebetimi abo ne homoden or mu ye business entity a ya bo ma momatimi aye adwuma. But you see, a system where you would different set of rules ma NDC, any different set of rules for MPP no e hadwen. Bono se MPP time na MPP ni an MPP penu e bon homodin a nim se bi o ye adwuma e di nya concession ye kebe friend state capture.
Yeah.
The same scenario no eba NDC a kofosi en friend local content. So when it's NPP, it is called state capture. When it is NDC,
local content.
They call it local content. And ama ene, then they explain it detire. It's say Adan wasem. President Mahama and the party listed things. It didn't be cry. It's say ya can dia ebi if you one region say kufu adunia. Yes, in a warfase. Yes, in a cousin. Yes, in a say. And until ene. Mahama is president, Mahama owns all the minerals. And Mahama is president, Mahama owns mining fields, Akoyo Mukwadana. And again, apart from that, and I mean, we say, IERPP for so a press conference to that effect. And I'll be very happy to say, Obedomo Suko, from Mubia. There is very important questions. Say, Osha process no. Now, say, too sudden. Number two, almost
tendai.
No problem. So as for a Patapa to credit manero, and I've given you my positions. I may say NPP. We are not against business. And yen you say Ghana ni cry business and ye boane say Sebio our people get employment.
Yeah.
Sebe omuye ya ekawa. But that same standard of measurement, I did measure NPP when we're in government. People should not change the marking scheme to favor because NDC is in power. And for me, I strongly believe, say, Sebio, Ubibia no one kwenya, I think you man participate, you know. These are the questions we need to ask. You man not participate here now. The process are ye fair, mono, ye dimraso. Was it too short? Was it too sudden? These are very critical questions. Yeah. Again, Ghana will interest woman. Again, Ghana interest be umbeye. When person we take even sometimes even the personalities even aware the matters at that point also. And then this for nature or more bread with the explanation is that a man NPP was on. They said see a friend of state capture.
Yeah.
So can you Brian at the and this is your own demonstration. You know, crowd any hotels are 7 previous someone is someone teapo. If you want a bomb mwase. Boas hotels Ibu Honum Pokrana occupancy less than 20%. Or my boka is no. Say ye NPP nipa bekwa kofa aye ni ye and ye nya no say. In a similar twist, you have the president's brother, or you're already into mining, or also participate in a processor, or they pay a mining concessioner, or they better engagement. And this is for saying young friend of local content. But the NPP time there, near friend of state capture. And that is why I have a problem.
Right.